start. This writ petition has been filed by the petitioner challenging the order of the Central Administrative Tribunal dated 4/4/2013 and the order dated 27/2/2013 passed by the General Manager or Ordnance Factory Kanpur. Stop para. The petitioner filed an original application in the Central Administrative Tribunal being OA number 1149 of 2010 seeking quashing of the orders dated 7/6/2010 and 30/6/2008, whereby his request for correction of the date of birth from 23 to 1953 to 23 to 1955 had been rejected. Stop. The said original application was disposed of by the tribunal by its order dated 7/2/2013 with a direction to the competent authority that if the petitioner files a representation annexing all the relevant documents within a period of 1 week to the competent authority, the said authority shall dispose of his representation by a reasoned and speaking order. Stop. In pursuance of the said order, the petitioner filed his representation before the General Manager, Ordnance Factory Kanpur dated 15/2/2013. Stop. This application was considered by the General Manager, Ordnance Factory Kanpur, and it was held that the date of birth of the petitioner cannot be altered. Stop. Agreed by the said order, the petitioner filed an original application number 381 of 2013, which was dismissed by the tribunal by order dated 4/4/2013. Stop. Hence, the present writ petition. Stop. Para. From the averments made in the writ petition and the documents on record, the facts emerging are that the petitioner was appointed as a labor B in the Ordnance Factory Kanpur on 6/6/1977 as a probationer. Stop. At the time of his appointment, he submitted his high school certificate issued by the Bihar Vidyalaya Pariksha Samit, Patna, in support of his date of birth. Stop. The petitioner is stated to have passed the high school examination in 1972, and in the certificate his date of birth was mentioned as 23/2/1953, and the same date was also recorded in his service book. Stop. After 32 years from the date of issue of high school certificate and 27 years after joining service, the petitioner submitted his representation dated 17/8/2004 for correction of date of birth on the ground that his date of birth was 23/2/1955, which was incorrectly mentioned in his high school certificate as 23/2/1953. Stop. He is stated to have taken up the matter with the thereafter the Deputy Secretary, Bihar Vidyalaya Pariksha Samit, Patna, referred the matter of the petitioner to the Ordnance Factory, Kolkata, YD, its later dated 19/1/2005, and the Ordnance Factory, Kolkata, in turn referred the matter to the Ministry of Defence. Stop. In reply, the Ordnance Factory Board informed the Ministry of Defence that the petitioner had submitted his first representation application before the Ordnance Factory Kanpur for alteration of date of birth on 17/8/2004, which was much beyond the time limit of 5 years. Stop. The petitioner's mark sheet, admission card were also submitted, wherein his date of birth, which was shown as 23/2/1953, was corrected to be read as 23/2/1955. Stop. Para. It is not disputed between the parties that under the central government orders, alteration of date of birth can be made with the sanction of the ministry department if the employee makes a request in this regard within 5 years of his entry into government service, and if it is established that a genuine bona fide mistake had occurred in recording his date of birth. Stop. It is submitted by Sri Ashish Srivastava, learned counsel for the petitioner, that in 1999 the Bihar Vidyalaya Pariksha Samit, Patna, had issued a notification notifying a scheme for correction in the mark sheet and the certificate of high school and intermediate on payment of rupees 400 in the treasury challan.